Alright, we're at the Motel 6 just outside of York, Pennsylvania. And over here is the manpower elevator. We're not here to see that though. We're here to see the electric elevator. It looks like it's been modernized. It's got an Otis mod. Let's see what this was originally. Looks like it was an older Series 1 back in the day before it got modernized. Here it is. Yep, looks like this was originally an Otis Series 1 that got modernized by Otis. Up to 3. You're on 3. Back on the 1, well, close one works. Cab appears to be original when it was a Series 1. Pretty basic for a Motel 6. Does smell like cigarettes in here though. These are your Series M2 buttons. Euro 1, capacity is 2,500 pounds. There's the original Otis door track. Not the greatest elevator, but it's typical for a Motel 6. There it goes, and that's it.